You could make it.
VINCENZO'S Go Crypto Investing in this quick morning update. You can see some of the coins that we were watching to move. They did move a little bit last night. You can see if we zoom out to on this Friday, beautiful approaching midsummer, if you can believe that already, in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area, central Illinois. You can see we had a little move last night in Cardano, a couple percent. And you can see we're still trading, but we're on the top side now of this green, of the 200-day in green. So 61 cents is in play. If we can get a big pump, and if you can hold that, you can remain short-term bullish. And again, the underneath support is 31 cents. We'll get more in depth into this later on. You can see Dogecoin's coming up to that upper resistance right there. XRP did come up to that 37 cents that I thought it was going to come up to the last couple of days, and it did get up there. If you can get top side of that 37 cents and hold it, you can remain bullish, or it's going to act as resistance, and you're going to trade back down towards the 200-day moving average. And XLM had a nice move too, and I'm thinking XLM is going to come up here to that 14 cents, just like XRP did. So we're going to watch out for that to see if that does indeed happen today, and remain short-term bullish. And Bitcoin, you can see it's still consolidating within this descending upper resistance and the old all-time high. And as long as you stay above that old all-time high at 19,893, that red horizontal line, you can remain short-term bullish, and you can even make a run up to here to $27,850, right? So there's a lot of things going on today, and a lot of things going to go happen on over the weekend, as the stock market and the equity market have had a nice little relief rally, and so has the cryptos, and this pump could continue. So we're going to go ahead and keep an eye out on all this, and I might go ahead and jump on board. I did a little bit last night on XLM, but I might go ahead and put a little bit of a long on XLM and try to ride this up, because I do think XLM and Cardano are going to go up. They're going to come up and meet that upper resistance. So I'm thinking I'm going to go and put a small trade on XLM and play it up to this 14 cents at minimum, right? Because that's still a nice 10% move. And I think that's absolutely in the cards, that this could come up there. Could it have to come down to the 200-day moving average first, or the 50 underneath, or the 100? Yeah, absolutely. But I think short-term, Cardano and XLM, I think they're going to have a nice move up, just like XRP did, and just like Cardano started to do last night, right? So I'm going to keep watching out for that. I think I'm going to go ahead and initiate a small trade there on that, as I think it could become, I think after we consolidate here, I think we got another leg to the upside, right? So that between XLM and Cardano, I think these are two plausible scenarios where both of these could make a run up to their upper resistances. Maybe not 61 cents in Cardano, but that is your major upper resistance. So we're going to watch out for that today. As you can see, the stock market has had a second consecutive day up. A little bit of the pressure off the financials, even after the rate hike. As you can see, the dollar has had a few down days. The dollar's actually reversed now. The dollar's had two down days in a row. But you can see the dollar is starting to recover nicely. But if this continues to trade sideways to down, you can get more of a relief rally in the coins. As some of these smaller coins, they've been so oversold, down 60, 70, 80, even 90%. They're having a relief rally, and that could continue today, tomorrow, and into this weekend, right? So we're going to keep a close eye on that. There's a couple of trading opportunities in here, a lot of trading opportunities for swing trades. Some of these coins that are down 90%, if you've done your research and like these coins, you might want to start parceling in small amounts for your long-term total. If coins are down 90%, I mean, they can only go down another 10% from their top, and that's 100%, right? So if you've done your research, you might be able to start parceling something in. I do not think the bear market's over. I think this is a nice bear market rally, and bear market rallies can last for a few weeks, right? So we're going to keep an eye on this. Like, subscribe, and share. If you're an active trader, use my Bitget link partner down below. It helps support the channel. Peace and love. Peace and love.